Hi, this is Gayathri Thambiah, and I'm a Montessori consultant with training in Montessori and special education from London Montessori Teacher Training College. And I have over 20 years' experience in supporting students with diverse learning needs, both in Australia and New Zealand. For me, one of the most rewarding moments was to see my students who had learning difficulties make great progress. The aim of this workshop is to share with Montessori educators the benefits of blending both Montessori method of education and other learning techniques to empower students with neurodiversity so that they can achieve positive outcomes. I'll further discuss how these children can be best supported with their literacy development in a Montessori environment, which will encourage them to thrive and be successful in the classroom. I hope you can join me on February 26th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sydney, Melbourne, and Canberra time, when I will share my experience and leave you all with the skills needed to help your students on the spectrum with literacy skills. Thank you.